लास्ट स्पेस इन स्ट्रिंग एस, तो स्ट्रिंग का नेम दिया हुआ है एस, ठीक है, तो मीन्स हमें उसके आंसर में ही लिखना होगा इसका आंसर एस डॉट लास्ट इंडेक्स ऑफ स्पेस, तो ये आ जाएगा। हाँ, पर यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है, व्हाट दे हैव गिवन फाइंड एंड डिस्प्ले, means I have to display this also, means now for the display I can use it in system.out.println, or I will store this in one variable of integer and that variable I'm going to display. It's up to you how you want to do. So system.out.print and then yes, so s dot last index of, okay, this is the first one. Now it is very important, convert a number stored in a string, number we have to convert, so we will use the wrapper classes, okay, this is the question of the wrapper class, so in which we have to convert it in a string variable x to the double data. Convert the number stored in a string, means number is already stored in the string and you have to convert into the double. So what the answer means, you want the conversion from string to double data type. For conversion string to double data type, you have to use double wrapper class, double, that's why D capital, double dot parts double, D capital, double dot parse double, then the variable is what, string, okay, so variable is the string over here, double dot parse double, then the stored in a string variable x, so this x is the string variable already, this is the method. Now it going to return you in the double, because after this double x will be converted into double data type. So here you will write, you will declare one of the variable using the double data type. So here double, suppose I am doing D, any variable name you can take. Double is the wrapper class and parts double, and parse double is the method used to convert the string into the double. You can write this, write in this, write this everyone, parse double, write it, parse double is method of double wrapper class, double wrapper class used to convert given string into double data type, This is the answer for this. Okay, the same question.
आप रैपर क्लास समझाओगे क्या?
वो बाद में बताऊंगी रैपर क्लास. Okay, for each primitive data type we have one of the primitive class that is known as wrapper class. Same if I want to convert into the integer, no, for the conversion in the integer I can use over here parse int, same question. If I want to convert into the integer, then I will use the integer wrapper class, and parse int is the method for that. So here For conversion into the double, we have used that. For conversion into the integer, I have to write int. And wrapper class is also integer. And parse int is the method. I capital. So this statement is going to convert the string x into the integer. Like that, we are having 8 wrapper classes, and all the 8 wrapper classes are having the like that parse int, parse float, parse method to convert the given string into the given data type. I will explain it in the next lesson also. Full wrapper class lesson we are having. Yes, now the third, extract the second last word. Second last character of a word. Word is what? Word is the string stored in a variable D. Okay. WD is the variable. Okay. So we have to WD dot care at. What answer we will write? Answer equals to WD dot care at WD dot length. Length. Then -2, not -1, because -1 will give you the last letter. Okay, and -2 will give you the second last. -2 will give you the second last position. Okay, see how we can do that. WD length is there first of all. So whatever is stored in the WD, so length will be calculated. Then this length -2, suppose hello is stored, HELLO, 5. Second last is what? So 5 minus 2 third, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, means second last, because index will start by the 0. Now write a function to check whether the character is a blank or not. It is very easy. Yes, blank or not. Means we'll use the character wrapper class over here. Which wrapper class we are going to use? Character wrapper class. So character dot is lower case to check whether the character is blank or not. So for the blank we are having is white space. That is the predefined method. Is white space. Suppose it is ch is the variable. So here you can declare the ch care ch. It can be declared, or this is only the statement, but it's going to return in true or false. You can write in the system.out.println, or you can take boolean small letters, boolean x equals to, or any variable you can take, but b is small. This is the answer for this one. Okay, then next is like that you can check is lower, is upper, is digit, is letter. These are predefined method of the character wrapper class to check the characters. Check if the second character of a string str is in uppercase. Yes, is in uppercase, second character of the string. So first of all, you have to fetch the second character. Yes, this answer Gunmay and Rutuja have given. So check the second character of a string str. So first of all, str dot care at second position. Now second position matlab 0, 1. Second character means one position you will write. because the zero position is the first characters and second position will be exist on the first index position, मतलब कि one index position. So str dot care at 1. Okay, it is going to be fetched. Now you are going to check with the character upper class is upper. See, character dot is upper case. This is the character. Okay, and then in if also you can write it in system.out.println, you can write it, or true false boolean maybe you can write, boolean also you can write. Okay, understood?
Yes, miss.
This if is small. Okay, means first of all you have to fetch the character, but from where? From 1. Why it is 1? Because the second character of the string str is a second character, means index position 1, because we are starting the index by 0. Now write the name of the method which are used to extract character from the string. Which method? Chaarat. Yes, chaarat is the method to fetch the character from the string. Chaarat method. यही कर रहे हैं ना भाई? Chaarat only we are using to fetch the character. Find the length of the string. Length method only. Length method is there to find the length of the string, right? Search for the character in the string. How we can search for the character in the string? How we can search? Search for a character in the string.
Character dot is character.
नहीं, अरे we'll give the character only. Index of निकालेंगे ना. Index of whatever character we want, then it will return index of the given character if it exists. If it is not exist, then it will return -1. Yes or not? Then it will return now. Right over here, index of is return, index of returns the position of index position of given character. If exist in string, otherwise -1. ठीक? Convert all the character to the lower. All the characters means string. Okay, so to lower case, but string को, not the character. All the character बोला है ना, तो str dot. Now we will not use the character wrapper class. Both are different. In the character wrapper class also we are having the two lower method and two upper. In the string also we are having two lower and two upper. But the use, if you are using the characters method, then you have to call the character wrapper class. Or if you are using the string to lower method, then you will use str. Compare two string and return Boolean result. Equal. Equal is the method. If both the strings are equal, suppose here I'm giving str1 dot equal str2. Okay. So in this case, if str1 and str2 both are equal, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay. You have to write all these question and answers. Yes. Now, state the purpose and return data type of the following string. Index of. Index of. Return type is what? Integer. It would be equals. Yes, not equal. Equals. Yes. Sorry, make the changes over here. It is equals. str1 dot equals. Yes. Now the index of. Purpose used to return the index of given character. And data type, here I am writing the data type only. Data type, what is the data type? Index. What is the data type for this? What is the data type for this?